Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And this DIY is going to be another Dollar Tree DIY. It's going to be quick, easy, and it's going to be beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. First off, you will need one of these shadow boxes. It says, "This is us." Here's the skewer. You want to just pry it up. I removed the lettering so that I'll have a smooth surface to glue my candlesticks to later. And you also want to remove this as well, the hook. And as you can see, it comes right off. So now what I would do is take this outside, spray paint it silver, because I really want to get the inside right in here. I'm going to cover this with some type of bling, and then I'll flip this over and paint this side silver as well. I went ahead and did one, and that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the bottom. What I want to do now is glue this in place permanently. Alright, so I remove all the tabs. Now I want to go ahead and permanently glue this inside. Again, this is the very top. I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. And then put this inside. Now to make sure it stays in place, I'm going to go ahead and add some hot glue on the back as well. Okay, so now I'll just let the hot glue cool down and then come back. The hot glue has completely set up. Now I want to go ahead and add some mirror towels around the border, right inside. And I've already cut it. Here's what the mirror towels look like. And you can find these at Amazon, and I'll link them below. And I'm putting them right where they line up with the top, with this edge. Okay, so I'm done adding mirror right inside here. So now what I want to do is add some right on top. I don't feel like it'll be disturbed too much here, but with being on top it might eventually lift. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Dollar Tree Fix-All right on top to assist holding the mirror towel in place. Cut the mirror towel, and I have 3 rows right here. I'm done covering my piece with the mirror towels all the way around and inside there. I also have these candle holders that I found at Goodwill, and they're originally from IKEA, and I paid 99 cents for them. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean these up. And the really cool thing about these is you can use tea lights on one side or the tall taper candles on this side. That's the really cool thing about these. But if you can't find these, you can also use the Dollar Tree tea light holders. And I might make a second one using those. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these up so we can come back. All my tea lights have been cleaned, and now I'll use some Gorilla Glue to glue them in place. And now I'm going to place them right in the center. So I'm gonna let this sit for a while, come back over, flip this over, and then add these two. I let these sit up for about 30 minutes. So what I want to do now is just flip this over. Okay, so now I want to glue both of these candle holders to the very bottom. Now I'll glue them to the bottom of the base with some Gorilla Glue. Okay everyone, this has sat up for about 5 to 6 hours. So I'm just going to flip this over. And here we have our beautiful 3-piece candle holder. To finish this off, I'm going to add some crushed glass on the inside. Here I have some crushed glass from Michael's and some Mod Podge. So I'm just going to brush the Mod Podge in here and then pour the crushed glass on top. So I'm going to let this sit for a minute and let it completely dry. Then I'll take the smaller brush, come in and fill in the corners with Mod Podge and crushed glass. Okay, so here's our piece so far. It's really pretty and sleek this way. I could add some bling under here, but it's really not seen. And I also thought about draping some garland underneath. That's another look if you want to go for an even more elegant, glamorous look. I'm not going to add any decorations around the neck of these. I like the way that looks. I really love that glass. With the crushed glass inside, it makes me think about a fireplace with the crushed glass. But yeah, I really like that, but I want to glam it up just a little bit. And I'm going to use one of these brooches from TotallyDazzled.com. I've already removed it from this piece, and I'm going to put one on each side. And all you need to do is just snip the back off, and it comes off really easy. And take that off. And attach it in the center. Alright, so I'll do the other side. Put some tea lights on the inside, light it up, come back and let you see what it looks like. Here I have the same exact frame. I've already taken it apart. As you can see, I have spray paint on the top, but I mostly wanted to get the inside of the box. Next, I'll trim the inside with the mirror towels just like before. I'll add the remaining mirror towel off camera. Now this time around, I'm going to add mirror towel to the base as well. And to make sure that the mirror towel stays down permanently, I'm going to reinforce it with some fix-all glue from Dollar Tree. After I apply the glue, I use a popsicle stick to spread it out evenly. When I was done, I placed the mirror towel on top of the glue. Next, I put the mirror towel back inside the frame to make sure that it fit. As you can see, it went inside the frame perfectly. Okay, I'm pretty much done with the tray. All I did was trimmed it out with some more of this really beautiful adhesive bling, and I'll link it below. So I went ahead and pre-cut some pieces for here. You can use this particular design and put the candle holders on the bottom just like the first one. You could take 3 of the Dollar Tree tea lights and glue them down, or just put them down and you'll have a similar look. Remove the tea lights and just use this as a decorative tray. Super blingy, isn't it pretty? Okay, so now I'll put this on display with the other one and let you see what they look like. And here's my beautiful tea light candle holder. And it only cost me $6 to build it. The tea lights were $1 a piece at Goodwill. Again, you can find those at IKEA. The frame and the candle holders are from Dollar Tree. The things that I used to decorate it, I already had on hand, so there wasn't any extra money spent to buy them. And here's the alternative tea light candle holder, and I think it's just as pretty as the first one. Now this one only cost $2 to build. And remember, because I did not glue the tea lights down, I can still use it as a decorative tray. And I really like having that option. Both candle holders are inexpensive and easy to make, so I hope that you all will give it a try. And if you do, please comment below which one you plan on making, or if you plan on making them both. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.